Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to insert smiley and emojis into your Gmail messages. A fun and easy way to add emotion, tone, and personality to your emails. Let's get started. First, head over to gmail.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, look towards the upper left corner and click on the Compose button. This opens a new email draft. Your blank space to begin writing and adding emojis. Next, take a look at the bottom toolbar of the email draft window. You will see several icons, but the one you need is the smiley first icon, which represents emojis. Click this icon. Clicking this icon will open the emoji panel, a pop-up filled with expressive options. Now, you will see emojis organized in different categories like smileys, symbols, animals, and more. You can either scroll through and use the search bar to find a specific emoji. For example, if you want to add a cheerful touch, go to the smiley face section and choose the classic grin or wink. Once you have picked one, click on it and it will instantly appear wherever your cursor is placed in your email. If you would like to use more than just one, just repeat this process. Remember, adding a few can help you better express your tone. Before sending, take a look at your email to ensure the emojis match your message. Try to strike a balance, keeping things friendly without making it too cluttered. Also remember that emojis might display slightly different depending on the device or email app your recipient uses. And remember guys, if you want to grab attention, you can even use emojis in a subject line of your email. Just copy and paste one directly in the subject box to make your messages stand out in a crowded inbox. And that's it guys. In just a few easy steps, you have learned how to add emojis in Gmail and bring a little extra life to your messages. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.